YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, it's all about my December BoxyCharm. I just received my box yesterday, so I wanted to get this video up because you know I want to open this box and we got to do it together, boo. So if you want to see what I got in December's BoxyCharm, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, BoxyCharm time. I was about to get like a little disappointed because the month is almost over with and I haven't received her yet. So I was kind of like, what's going on? Well, I forgot to renew my subscription. So in the middle of the month, because I usually get this in the beginning of the month, I noticed I forgot to renew my subscription, and I went on to renew the subscription, and I finally got my box. So I'm super excited to be opening this box to see what I got for the month of December, because you guys know I don't go online and all that stuff to see what's going to be in the box because I want to be surprised. If you do not know what BoxyCharm is a $25 month subscription box, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. So it can be anywhere from skincare, makeup, or whatever. And you can't beat that for $25 because majority of the products in here, box usually ranges to be, I think, well over $150 or $100 a month in value. So for $25 a month, you're getting $150 worth of beauty products. Come on, you can't beat that, okay? So let's get into this. Got my handy scissors. So I can cut this tape and we can break into this box quick and easy, boo. Yes. Alright, so now we got the box open. It was a little difficult, but there we go. Got this. And you know, got a little insert that I don't never read because I like to be surprised. But this month's theme is whimsy. So that is very pretty. Whimsy, whimsical, magical. That's what I think of when I hear whimsy, is whimsical and magical and princessy and fairies and what fairy dust and sparkles. So let's see what's in this box. So first up we have, this is by Ciate London, the Marble Light Illuminating Blush. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see what is gonna be. Let's open her. Ooh, she's pretty. Very pretty packaging. It's a glass packaging. I'm sorry, my ring light is shining. But yeah, very, very pretty. And this is the blush. It's a nice color. I think it's very pretty. But I do have a lot of blushes, so I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of you lucky subscribers. That's gonna be nice. So I got this. Next up, ooh, this is in a little bag. So let's see. This is by Aesthetica, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm sorry. It says Pro Series Brush Cleaner and Conditioner. Ew, it's a brush cleaner. And we all know we can use some brush cleaner, okay? Because I love doing and playing with makeup a lot over here, so definitely gotta keep them brushes clean and sanitized. So I'm definitely gonna be trying this out. Let's smell her and see what she smells like. So she does have a little seal. And I just ran out of some brush cleaner, so this is very perfect. She has like a eucalyptus tea tree oil type of smell. For you guys out there that know your scents, those are the two scents that I'm getting when I smell this. And next up we have the Brow Bar by Rena. Am I saying that right? Or Rema? Oh my gosh. Now we gotta look at the card because I want to make sure that yeah, it just says Brow Bar Makeover Kit. It doesn't say who it is by on this card, but on here it says by Rema or Rema, something of that nature. Anyways, it's the True Brow Makeup Kit. And let's see. This, I'm going to show y'all the packaging. It's pretty. It's gold. Super cute. Let's open this up and see. Oh, this is some pretty packaging. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. And it's so sleek. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh, yes, honey. But I'm going to definitely have to give this away in a giveaway. These shades are not, they're too light for my brows. Yes, very light. They won't even match my brow hairs. These are like my skin tone, and your brows are supposed to be a little darker. So yes, even though the packaging is very, very beautiful, I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. Hopefully, one of you guys will win this, and the shades will work out for you. Okay. Let's see. The next thing we have is by Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Pro Collagen, and it's a facial oil. We like oils and we like collagen, you know, plump up our face. That's what when I hear collagen, that's what I hear is plumping up my face, okay? Get those wrinkles away. So it says, soothing face oil for fine lines, wrinkles, Padina, Provencia, English Rose, Roaring Water, Kemp, soothes, nourishes, and smooths. Okay, so it says massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. So, you know, this sounds very interesting. And I want to check this out and see how it does. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Look at this packaging, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, let me open it and see what she smells like, because it said rose. Oh yeah, she definitely smells like rose, and I like the scent of rose. I'm just gonna put a little drop on my hand there. Ooh, and she's runny, y'all. Oh, she a oil. She a oil. She's a oil. Nice and smooth, soft. I like how she feels and how she's it rubs on. It feels like it just absorbed right into my skin. Look at that. Look at the difference on my 2 hands. And I love the smell. Oh my God, I cannot wait to use this. Yes. So I'm very happy about that. And last but not least, this one is wrapped up. This is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. Oh my God, this is so cute. It's shaped like a book, you guys. Oh, it is so cute. Look, it looks like the little chapter cover. And then it has a little back. Oh my God, that is so cute. Happily Ever After says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, look, it got a little mirror on the side, opens just like a little book, and look at these shades. Oh my gosh, I kind of did want to wear green today, so maybe tomorrow, because I ended up doing this look. I wanted to play around with some colors for New Year's Eve, so I used my Tati palette to create this look for today. But I definitely was thinking about some greens, and I'm gonna play around with this palette tomorrow. Super, super cute, and I love how it's shaped like a book. Oh my God, this is like a must-have, must-keep. Oh my God, this is like a collector's item. I love it. I love it. And I love the names: Maid Marian, Nottingham Forest, Mary Med, Robin Hood, and Quaver, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is cute. And then, oh my God, I know I'm talking about this a lot, but look, there's a little saying above the mirror, and it says, mirror, mirror, here I stand, who is the fairest in the land. This is so freaking cute. I love it. Nostalgia. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so pleased with my December box. I got some really, really nice items. Of course, this is great. I'm going to have this sitting right on my vanity, or possibly right up here on display, because this is just so cute. And you can't go wrong with some brush cleaner, because come on sis, we got to keep our brushes clean and sanitized so we don't get no fungus, no bacteria, nothing on our face, okay? Because we want a nice face. Keep our face nice and clean. And I am really intrigued by this Elemis Pro Collagen facial oil. So I'm very, very, very pleased to try this out. I love this scent. I love the way it feels on my skin. So I can't wait to try this out. This is very, very cute and sleek, and I think it's like a great idea, the way they have the 3 different shades for your brows, and they have the actual brow gel here. But I am going to put this in a giveaway because the shades are too light for me, so therefore it won't work for my brows. And it got this beautiful, beautiful blush by Ciate London, and it's a marble light. And so this is very, very cute and a nice blush. I just have so many blushes, you know, on deck in my stash, in my beauty stash. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of you lucky subscribers, okay? So that is everything that is in my December BoxyCharm box. I loved everything that was in my box. It was a very great box for this month, so I'm very, very pleased. It was better late than never, okay? So, yes. What did you guys like out of this month's box? Comment down below what did you like out of this box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.